Hey, it's Anna with WTI. Are you looking for that perfect little hit of nostalgia? Then this CD player is going to be your new favorite accessory in the house.
This is from MANAYO, and I cannot tell you how in love with this I am. I have kept all of my CDs over the years, and the fact that this will play all of them, whether they are regular or those burned mixtapes that we used to make for each other, it has so many different modes as well.
FM mode, line in mode, Bluetooth mode.
This little thing packs a punch. I can hear this all over my house when I'm playing a CD. I am just blown away by the quality of this machine.
I am in love with this little CD player. It makes me so happy just looking at it, but listening to it makes me even happier. You definitely need to get one, and that's my point of view.